Looking for a true mother-in-law suite with their own large bedroom, bathroom and living room? Or a large yoga/office/studio with private bathroom? This Camden model offers one of the most flexible and fun floor plans anywhere and is one of only 6 in the community. Master bedroom is located in the rear of the home and offers tray ceilings, beautiful preserved views, large walk-in closet and spa-like master bath. 2 guest bedrooms are in the front of the home. They are both spacious and share a Jack and Jill bathroom. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, a super large kitchen island that looks into the great room, large walk-in pantry and tons of storage. Great room is expansive, tall ceilings, plenty of room for large furniture. Outside is a pure oasis. Sparkling custom, pool and spa with extensive pavers and outdoor lounge area, all paver are on concrete not sand. Entrada has easy access to everything and is a low-HOA community that is gated at 7 p.m. and offers a vibrant recreational community, tennis, pickleball, resort-style clubhouse and pools, playground and so much more.